We gotta fix that shoe, huh? Put the shoe on there. Right? And we're gonna spin it around. Is that funny? Can you think that out for a second?
Oh, I made a sunflower.
Maybe? It's like it's too much. Make it stop.
Are you moving it with your feet too?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I made rain. Oh, I have it.
Do you have a case of the Sleepy Giggles, Benny?
Sleepy giggles. Sleepy giggles.
You do. You got Sleepy Giggles. It's better than Sleepy Farts, I guess, isn't it? Yeah. Well, you're rubbing your eyes now. Alrighty. Still funny. This has been going on for 5 minutes now. It's just
You're so goofy. So goofy.
spin the shoe around.